The three laws of motion were first created by Isaac Newton in his book called Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, which was published in 1687. Newton used them to explain and investigate the motion of many physical objects and systems. The law of universal gravitation was first created by Isaac Newton and published in his book in 1687 as well. He derived the law from empirical observations, and it is part of classical mechanics. Newton's first law of inertia states that an object in motion will stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force. This law also explains that an object can keep on moving in a straight line unless it is acted upon by another force. This explains why a planet does not move in a straight line. Planets move along ellipses because there is a force acting upon it, which is gravitational pull.
The acceleration of an object is proportional to the force acting upon it. An accelerating object can either change how fast it is moving or the direction it is moving in. Newton's second law says that the Sun will experience much less acceleration than other planets.
Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. The law can be more fully stated as, whenever one body exerts force upon a second body, the second body exerts an equal and opposite force upon the first body. That is, when the Sun pulls on a planet with the force of gravity, the planet pulls on the Sun with the force of equal.
The law of universal gravitation states that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force directed along the line of centers for the two objects that is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the separation between the two objects. While the law does not explain what gravity is, it does say how the force of gravity works.